Hey everyone! If you're a programmer and you haven't fully tapped into the power of LinkedIn yet, you're seriously missing out. Today, I'm here to unlock LinkedIn secrets specifically for programmers. Let's dive in. First and foremost, your profile is your digital business card. Make sure your headline isn't just software developer. Instead, go with something like full stack developer, JavaScript enthusiast, problem solver. This grabs attention and immediately tells potential employers or collaborators what you're about. Next, the summary section. This is your chance to tell your story. Keep it concise but impactful. Mention your key skills, recent projects, and what you're passionate about. Don't just list your job titles. Talk about what you achieved in those roles. Use bullet points for clarity. Now let's talk about connections. Quality over quantity, folks. Start by connecting with people you know, colleagues, classmates, and friends. Then, branch out to industry leaders, influencers, and recruiters in your field. Personalize your connection requests. A simple, "Hey, I admire your work in XYZ and I'd love to connect," can go a long way. Engage, engage, engage. Like, comment, and share posts that resonate with you. This not only helps you stay visible, but also shows that you're active and engaged in your community. Write your own posts too. Share your thoughts on industry trends or write about a cool project you're working on. Use relevant hashtags to increase your reach. Don't forget about endorsements and recommendations. Endorse your connections for skills you know they excel in, and they'll likely return the favor. Recommendations are even more powerful. Get a few from colleagues, mentors, or clients. They act as testimonials and boost your credibility. Projects and publications are also crucial. Showcase your work. If you've contributed to open source projects, written blogs, or published research, add them to your profile. It's a great way to demonstrate your expertise. Now, job hunting. Use LinkedIn's job search feature to find opportunities tailored to your skills. Follow companies you're interested in and engage with their content. This keeps you on their radar, and don't be afraid to reach out directly to recruiters. A well-crafted message can open doors. Lastly, keep learning. Follow industry leaders and join relevant groups. LinkedIn Learning offers tons of courses to boost your skills. Stay updated with the latest in tech and share your learnings with your network. So there you have it, folks. LinkedIn is more than just a place to post your resume. It's a powerful tool to build your network, showcase your skills, and advance your career. Start implementing these tips today and watch your LinkedIn game level up. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow programmers, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.